Hi, this is Sabari Madhavan TG from BSc Physical Education Department. Register number 190172108240. Today I am going to talk about the importance of warming up and cooling down. Warm up is one of the most important elements of an exercise. It is particularly important to help prevent injury. Warm is a low level activity which should be completely prior to for stretching and more serious exercise. The objective of a warm up to raise the total body temperature and muscle temperature to prepare the entire body for vigorous activity. The warm up period prepares a cardiovascular system, a respiratory system, respiratory nervous system and muscular system by gradually increasing the demand of those systems, but they are able to accommodate the demands of more serious activity. The proper warm-up of a serves to raise body to a necessary capacity. There are two types of warm-up. First one is a general warm-up and second one is specific warm-up. The purpose of general warm-up is to increase the functional potential of a body as a whole, whereas the purpose of a specific warm-up is to establish the optimum relationship between the forthcoming movements of the activity. The sport-specific general warm-up utilizes a low-intensity movement of any exercise that actually involve the subsequent activity of all body parts. The general warm-up is effective for raising core temperature and increasing the blood flow circulation in order to raise both general body and deep muscle temperature, which in turn help to heat up the muscle, ligament and tendons in preparing for more vigorous activity. The way that we know we have done this is by breaking a sweat. Sweat is a mechanism our body cool itself down. So we can assume that if we are getting sweat, our core temperature has elevated. So now we are coming to a specific warm-up. What is specific? The concept of specific warm-up is to perform or prepare a particular sport or activity. Likewise, you can take athletics. If you are going to practice athletic event, before going to start an athletic event, you need to practice athletic drills like high knee extensions, ankling, heel kick up, etc. Importance of warming up and cooling down. Both involve doing exercise at lower intensity and lower pace, which improves your athletic performance, prevent injury and with a recovery from the exercise. The warm-up activity includes jogging, cycling, slow biking or walking. Warming up before exercise prepares a cardiovascular system for physical activity by increasing blood flow to your muscles and temperatures, that is rising in temperatures and of your body does normally, and it is important to back down instead of observe stopping all motions. Cooling down and helps you to regulate your blood flow, which is especially important for people who undertake endurance sports such as long distance running. And to safety, cool down gradually reduce the pace of an exercise. For example, if you are jogging, reduce your pace to all risk of walking at least 10 minutes. The benefits of warming up: improved performance, improved blood flow and improved oxygen efficiency, faster muscle contraction or relaxation, and injury prevention and mental preparation. Okay, now we benefits of cooling down, which helps to recovery and reducing DOMS. DOMS, in the sense delayed onset muscle soreness. While muscle soreness is just one of the expected after exercise, a significant amount of DOMS after is very uncomfortable and can prevent you from exercising in the future. A study performed at California in the state of a university found that a moderate intensity cycle after the strength exercise help to reduce DOMS. Cooling down after exercise helps to alleviate excessive muscle soreness, keeping you more comfortable and allowing you to body bounce back before your next workout.